How to fix RBC mobile app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix RBC mobile app not working. So to do that, first of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection, as RBC is an app that requires stable internet connection to work. Sometimes if you don't have a stable internet connection, the app simply won't work. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. You may also try switching from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi and switching from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. Now once you've done that, your problem may be solved. Now if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your app store and then type in RBC. After that, tap on the option RBC mobile. Now make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as if your app is not updated, sometimes some features will be restricted, which may cause your app to not function properly. So simply make sure your app is updated. Now if your problem is still there, what you can do is simply go to your settings, general, storage, and then search for your RBC mobile app, and then try offloading the RBC mobile app. Now once you've offloaded, simply reinstall the app, and in most cases your problem will be solved. But if your problem still persists, what you can do is simply delete the app entirely from your mobile device and then go to your app store and re-download the RBC mobile app. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your RBC mobile app not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.